In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset YouTube feed. First thing first, launch the YouTube app on your smartphone and locate in the bottom right corner the profile picture. Now tap the gear icon found in the top right of the profile screen and then go to Manage All History. This will redirect you to your Google Activity dashboard. Now tap the Delete button. Scroll down until you find the Delete option. Choose a deletion range, select one of the following like Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, or Delete All Time for full reset. Now, you need to confirm the deletion, review the list of items to be deleted like watch history, searches, etc. Then tap Delete again to confirm. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Resetting recommendations removes history but doesn't delete subscriptions or playlists. Just make sure of that.